to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Sky and my husband Chad and I own an online interior decor shop called Houseandholm. And over on this channel we love to share all things home, from DIYs to decor hauls, decorating ideas, and so much more. I have been counting down the days until I could film this video. I am so excited for what I have to share with all of you. So a few months ago, I shared my first ever capsule wardrobe video, and I showed you guys the beautiful cabinets that we purchased from IKEA and how I was going to be transforming our closet into more of a capsule wardrobe and using it as a decorative element in our bedroom as well. Today, I have some new pieces from one of my favorite shops, ROOLEE, and I also shared about them in that video when I was creating my first ever capsule wardrobe. Well, the weather's changing outside and it's time to update it. So I am looking to get rid of all of my warm clothing, my sweaters and my heavy tops, and I'm ready to bring in some lightweight pieces. Today I'm gonna share some of those pieces with all of you. So we're gonna do a little try on. I think it'll be so fun and it'll just be a little way to switch things up. I know I share a lot of home and decor content on my channel, so this is just something fun. But don't worry, we're gonna decorate too. I have cleared out my IKEA cabinets and we're gonna do some shelf styling. I recently picked up a few new pieces. I also have something that I purchased from the Depot, which is the antique store that I went to and vlogged from about a week, 2 weeks ago. And so I can't wait to share that find with you all and how I'm going to be using them in this space. I would love to have you join my YouTube family, so make sure before you leave to hit that subscribe button. It's totally free to subscribe, and that way you don't miss a video. We post videos weekly here over on our channel with all sorts of home, DIY, and decorating inspiration. Let's go ahead and get started with my try on. I can't wait to share these pieces with you all, and then we will wrap up the video with some decorating. I wanted to say a huge thank you to ROOLEE for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I was recently gifted several different pieces of clothing and a few accessories from them, and I am in love with everything. I love shopping with ROOLEE because they are a small family-run business, just like ourselves, which is something so close to my heart. They are also believers, and their clothing is perfect for all seasons of life. They offer pieces for expecting mamas, nursing moms, and I've even been able to find so many pieces that are flattering for the postpartum season as well. These pieces fit so well into my spring capsule wardrobe because they can be dressed up with a pair of jeans and cute accessories, or dressed down with leggings and tennis shoes. I will link all of these pieces that I am trying on for you all down in my video description, as well as just a link to ROOLEE's website so you can check them out. They have so many cute accessories and shoes and clothing. I am so excited to wear this outfit either out on a date night or to dinner with girlfriends. I think it's just the perfect way to be comfy but also look super cute, and I love the addition of my tote bag here. The handle is so cute. I love the tassels. It's super lightweight. It's perfect for spring and summer. This is going to be one of my go-to outfits this spring. I can just already tell because I love it so much. This bag opens up. It's huge, really. Honestly, I can fit so much in there, so I could even take it to the park for a little play date with the kids and throw some diapers and snacks in there. And then check out this adorable hat. I mean, can you even? Nothing gets me more in the mood for summer than some sun hats. I can't wait to style this in our bedroom when it's not in use. Okay friends, so this was my find at the antique shop. I wanted to buy absolutely every single thing in that store, and I have plans of going back. I've already asked Chad if that can be our next date spot so that he can help me carry all of my goodies and all of my treasures. I'm so excited. But In the meantime, I decided to go ahead and grab some of these books. I've been looking for some antique vintage books to style some of my shelves. And you guys know that when I add color to a space, I love to add green. So I thought this would be great for spring and summer. It'll tie in nicely with some of the other greens I have in here, some different plants and things like that. So they're beautiful. They are just older books and they have a lot of wear to them, which I love. It looks like they've maybe even gotten wet, which has turned out in my favor because it makes them look really, really aged and just absolutely beautiful. I went with a really minimal approach here when decorating my shelves. I wanted to add some color. I also wanted to keep it just really simple. So I really shopped our home, honestly, with the exception of the antique store finds, those books at the top, and then I did find a really cute little vintage clock from Target. I do need to add a picture to my picture frame. I didn't get around to doing that before filming this video, but I found a basket that we had in our home that I wasn't using, and I ended up putting all of my tops from my capsule wardrobe into that basket. Everything else that we have, like our necessities, leggings, jeans, and whatnot, are down below in the cabinet doors.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck.
Okay friends, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some home and style inspiration in this one. And don't forget to hop on over to ROOLEE's website when this video is over. Go and show our friends over there some love if you can. They have the most beautiful spring and summer pieces, accessories, shoes, clothing, you name it. They've got something for everybody. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye friends.